do you buy a list of likely sellers to call for listings? If you need more listings, you need more conversations with people who are thinking about selling. And right now, there are tools that can tell you exactly who those people are before they ever put a sign in the yard. But most agents who try this either pick the wrong data or don't know what to do with it once they have it. Here's what's happening in the market right now. Over 78,000 listings are expiring off the MLS every single week without selling. That's up 83% from 2 years ago. On top of that, you've got homeowners sitting on record equity who haven't listed yet, absentee owners with rental properties they're thinking about unloading, and pre-foreclosure situations where sellers need help fast. All of those people are findable. The data exists. The question is whether you know where to get it and what to do with it once you have it. So let me walk you through the 3 pieces of this that matter the most. The first one, know what's available and where to get it. There are data platforms built specifically for agents who want to find likely sellers. Tools like PropStream give you access to property ownership records, equity positions, ownership length, tax history, and over 165 search filters to build custom lists. You can target high equity owners, absentee owners, pre-foreclosures, vacant properties, and more. RedX specializes in expired listings, FSBOs, pre-foreclosures, and geographic farming leads, and their data shows 43% of expired listings relist within 90 days, which means nearly half are actively looking for a new agent right now. The point is, the data is out there. You don't have to guess who might be thinking about selling. You can look it up. The second thing, buying the list is the easy part. Working it is what matters the most. This is where most agents fall off. They sign up to get the data or a data service, they pull a list of 500 names, make a few calls, get some voicemails, and quit. The agents who actually turn these lists into listings treat them like a system. They sort by highest probability first, they call consistently, not once, but multiple times over several weeks. Most listings don't come from the first call. They come from the 4th, 5th, or even 12th contact. They track everything in a CRM and they lead with value on every call, but not a sales pitch. If you're going to invest in the data, you have to invest in the follow-up. The list is the starting point, the system is what produces the results. And the third thing, don't ignore the list you already have. While you're building out your prospecting with data tools, don't overlook the likely seller list you've already been building for years, your own database. Past clients who bought 3 to 5 years ago are prime candidates. Old leads sitting in your CRM that you haven't contacted in months, those are others. People in your sphere who've already maybe changed jobs or had life changes or kids going to college are others. These are people who already know you, and a simple check-in call, home value update could be the spark that starts the listing conversation. The best agents work both sides. The data tools for new opportunities and the database for relationships they've already built. If you want to build a real listing pipeline, but you don't know or aren't sure which tools to use or how to work the data you already have, that's exactly what I help agents with all the time. I give you access to the tools, the training on how to use them, and a system that turns data into actual listing appointments. Give me a call or shoot me an email and I'll show you what actually works. Thanks for watching.